Hey everyone, in this episode I have to correct a lighting issue. So my plant display back there, I just took the lights out of the front of it because we wanted to put them someplace else. It's a hue light strip, you know? So I need to take some generic grow lights and put them out front. But in order to do that, we need to go outside first. Okay, so let's make this quick because it's 38 degrees outside right now in downtown Denver, but this is my plant display, and right now, without those lights, you just don't really get a full sense of the beautiful plants that are down below, and it really bothers me because right now, I want the light to shine more and more, and if you recall from past video, I did have those lights down. There was a huge light strip, but we decided to put it up in the kitchen, so now we have to go back inside to fix this issue with grow lights. Okay, welcome back inside where it is currently 70 degrees and humid, unlike outside where it was just freezing. So I'm going to try to do this without having to move a lot of plants, which is probably going to be a bad idea, you know, but that's okay because these plants, they know that I'm here to help them, kind of, as I shimmy across this. Wow, I feel like I'm in Mission Impossible, which this very well could be a Mission Impossible. But I do have two sets of these grow lights, these generic ones, and I got them in 2021 off of Amazon, and I went to go check just now to see if they were available, and they're not. So, you know, that's what happened. So, but they were $23 at the time, and I did find other ones that are similar, and they're 36 watts from what I believe in red. And probably what I should have done is probably untangled these before I jumped into this mayhem of plants here. But yeah, once decided to set up the hue light strip that was out here, it just kind of took away the light that I had on this side, and it really just didn't make the plants pop as much. And I also know because these are western facing windows, and right now they're not getting the best light, natural light I should say. So that is one thing that I wanted to fix. So these will definitely help them. And I'm sure you saw from outside, and I'll give you a look from inside too, but I do have some grow lights set up underneath and inside some of their boxes, their crates, and that's helped quite a bit. But these ones are just natural white, like catching my breath. It's so hot and humid in here. I probably should have turned the humidifiers off before I started doing this, but again, I don't like to think, I just do, and that's, you know, a really bad quality to have. So let's see here. If I untangle this mess and then put these babies over there and then try to shimmy these guys around, because I want them to be at least covering the entire area. Now, the reason, guys, why I did not move the entire plant display, all the plants, I should say, is because I really just did not want to have to deal with moving all these plants because I have to water them, and when I do, this is where a lot of my large plants are. It's kind of traumatic. Take a look, because this is when I was watering the other night my Anthurium veitchii, and that alone, moving that baby is like a marathon, not just a race. It is a marathon to do. And so, yeah, trying to avoid that at all costs. So as long as I get these down, which I did, and then get this last one, yay, okay. We have one set down. Wow. But I feel like I've accomplished quite a bit by just getting that one set down, to be honest with you guys. So I probably also should use this opportunity to wipe down the massive amount of moisture that's collecting up from the windows. But I'm going to save that for maybe tomorrow because, you know, this is just a lot to deal with. So watch me slip and fall now from not doing that. Okay. So I'll make it back over here. I could have at least, I'll do that now. Move these little crates out of the way. So let's see. Wow. The plants are like, what are you doing, man? Just stop with this nonsense. The plants get so annoyed with me, but it's okay. They know I do it out of love. Okay. So I'm going to take this guy and string it down there. And then pull this around like so. And now, one moment. 1 moment later, I had to grab the extension cord. And so what I'm doing is I'm using an extension cord to plug both lights in, but I have it connected to this Bluetooth timer, which is a KASA timer, and I'll put that on the screen. I think they're like, you can sometimes find them like 4 for $25 or so. And what's nice about them is that I can control it through my phone. I can set it on timer, and it works just really nicely. And it's a cheap alternative to not having to deal with hue lights, So if you're looking to do something where you want stuff on a timer, I highly suggest it because I love them and got them all over the house here. And so now, oh, you know what? I should have done. I should have done this from the beginning because now I have to go all the way back over there, which is fine because I needed to anyway, so I could continue streaming this. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is once I get this plugged in and these three set down, I will be able to just turn them on and control them through the phone, which is nice, You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Okay. And again, I should have untangled this one too, but here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Okay. And I also, like I said, should have turned down the humidity. But I'm curious to know what kind of grow lights strips do you guys use with your plants? Leave it in the comments below because I'm always curious to see what you guys are using. And I think there we go. I'm just waiting while filming for somebody to come up to the window. And it's funny, I do want to do like a video and show you guys the number of people who come up here to like look at the plants because it happens several times a day. And our little security camera that we have situated up against here has some really great reactions from people. But that'll be for another time. So we want to deal with this right now. Actually, you know what? Oh, gosh, I'm so sorry. I need 1 more minute. Okay, that 1 minute has passed. And now I can now crawl back over gracefully, or carefully, I should say. And, whoa, sorry, light. And flip these babies on. Yeah, I definitely need to take like the Swiffer and clean this area, especially after just dirtying it up with my sneakers. Oh, this one flipped over. Oh no. Something's up with the lights. Let's see. Oh, I know. The second part of the cord. No. Kevin, what did you do? Well, this just had to happen. How embarrassing. Okay. There's nothing embarrassing about it. They cost $23. The company no longer exists, so whatever. You know what? This actually would have looked way better this way. Why didn't I do that from the beginning? I'm such an idiot. Oh, fool. What a fool. There we go. I could have made this so much easier on myself, but that's just how I operate. I like to make things difficult. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That's their highest setting. Is 5. Okay. I'm such a fool. A tonto, as my husband would say. Okay. Now, we're going to go back over hither, and we're now going to take these ones, and boom. 1, 2, 3. Wow. That could have been so much easier, but I made it more complicated. So here's a look at outside, what it looks like inside now to give you a look, and it definitely adds more light to the plants, not only for people who are walking by outside, but inside as well, that the plants can get more light from these grow lights. And now all I have to do is you know put all the millions of plants that I took out of here back, and then take a shower because the humidity and screwing this up was just a lot. So, anyways, if you guys haven't already, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell for more fun and awkward planty content just like this. And if you want to know more about grow lights, I just did another video on them. You can check that out by clicking up there on that video link. But in the meantime, yeah, tell me about your guys' grow light bars, what you use, and how effective they are. And then I will see you guys in the next video.